Hey friends, welcome to today's Singapore Market Digest. I'm Wei from the Investing Iguana, and today we're looking at some interesting movements in the Singapore market. Let's start with Srichtrend Gloves, a major player in the glove manufacturing sector. The company just reported an impressive turnaround in their fourth quarter results. They posted a net profit of 556.7 million baht, which is quite a comeback from their loss of 59.9 million baht in the same period last year. Their revenue jumped by 27.6% to 6.8 billion baht, with sales volume up 18% to 10.4 billion pieces. The stock closed at sale of 305, and these results suggest the company might be finding its footing in a post-pandemic market. Moving on to an interesting corporate development, Oiltek International is making moves to upgrade its listing from the Catalyst board to the SGX main board. This vegetable and edible oil engineering company believes this move will boost their image and potentially improve their stock's liquidity. The stock was trading at $1.19 before they called for a trading halt, and we'll be watching closely when trading resumes today. In the dental sector, we've got some boardroom drama at Oksen Q&M Dental Group. The company's largest shareholder is pushing for some big changes, specifically calling for an extraordinary general meeting to remove Executive Director Ong Siu Hua. This request comes from Ng Chin Xiao, who represents Q&M Dental Group, where he serves as founder and group chief executive. Oksen's shares are currently holding steady at sell point of 42 loss. Looking at the broader market, we're seeing some interesting patterns emerge. The recent earnings season has brought mixed results, but there's a clear trend of companies focusing on operational efficiency and strategic growth. The healthcare sector in particular shows signs of stabilizing after the post-pandemic adjustment period. For those watching technical indicators, the market's showing some consolidation patterns. Trading volumes have been moderate, suggesting investors are taking a cautious approach as they digest these corporate developments and await more economic data. When we look at the regional context, Singapore's market continues to position itself as a stable investment destination in Southeast Asia. The recent corporate moves we've discussed today, especially Oiltek's potential mainboard listing, reflect the ongoing evolution of our market. A quick note on sector performance. The healthcare sector, represented by companies like Oksen Q&M, continues to adapt to post-pandemic realities. Meanwhile, industrial players like Oiltek are making strategic moves to strengthen their market position. The manufacturing sector, exemplified by Srichtrend Gloves, shows signs of recovery with improved operational metrics. Looking ahead, keep an eye on these key factors. How Srichtrend Gloves maintains its profit momentum. The market's reaction to Oiltek's mainboard listing application. The outcome of Oksen Q&M's shareholder situation. Remember, while we're seeing some positive developments, it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective and consider both opportunities and risks in your investment decisions. That's all for today's Market Digest. Keep watching this space for more updates on Singapore's dynamic market landscape.